Hello everyone, myself Roshan Rajendra Ame sir of third year electrical presenting before you a PPT on BEE and Energy Conservation Act 2001. Let's look into it. Bureau of Energy Efficiency BEE Energy Conservation Act 2001. Norms of Energy Intensive Industries Standard and Labeling Energy Conservation Building Code Demand Side Management Certificate of Energy Professionals BEE established on 1st March 2002 under Energy Conservation Act. Implement regulatory and promotional function of Energy Conservation Act. Reduce energy intensity of a country. Has state designated agency in each state for enforcement and awareness. What are the functions of BEE? Functions of Bureau. Function of Bureau are as follows. The process and energy consumption standards required to be notified. The labeling of concerned equipment requires some input of energy along with the prescription about the display of standard upon such labels. To notify users or class of users are designated customers under this law. In addition to this, the Bureau, according to its function under the law, has to take some suitable steps, create awareness and dissemination information for efficient use of energy and conservation, training of personnel, strengthening consultancy services, promote research and development in the field of energy efficiency, the develop good testing and certificate procedure, promote use of energy efficient process, equipment and device and system, promote innovating financing of electrical efficiency project. BEE portfolio awareness, energy conservation awards, painting agencies, buildings, energy conservation, building codes, reported in old buildings, residential building guidelines, star rating of appliances, 8 mandatory label appliances, 13 voluntary applied appliances, National Mission for Enhanced Energy Efficiency, perform, achieve and trade PAT. Market transformation for energy efficiency MTEE. Frame for energy efficient economy. Development energy efficiency financing platform. What do you mean by star labeling? Wide variation in energy consumption by products of manufacture is observed. Information of energy consumption is often not easily available, sufficient or easy to understand from the nameplate lead to the continued manufacture and purchase of insufficient equipments and appliances. History and success started in Poland way back in 1962. Worldwide, 65 countries implemented, including California, USA in 1976, Australia, Canada, China, Brazil, Thailand, Japan, and other United Kingdom. Brand star labeling. Voluntary labels for refrigerators and air conditioners introduced in 2006. Aggressive advertising and outreach promoted labels as the brand of superior products. Manufacturers pick yard on label advertising. Label products brought for check testing. Labeling syndrome workers. If payback period is more than 4 to 5 years, maximum sales of this product is within 2 to 3 years playback. Here are some types of labeling in which there are 3-star, 5-star and 2-star labeling. Voluntary to mandatory labeling. Voluntary phase after 2 to 3 years of launch of voluntary scheme. Bureau product marketing. Harassment to evaluate the market transformation. Study for enhancement in the technology and related institute. Requirements for transition from voluntary to mandatory phase. Transition phase. For transition, BEE sends draft proposal to the Ministry of Power. Once approved by the MOP, proposal is forwarded to Ministry of Law for legal vetting. Draft approval for MOL sent back to MOP. Mandatory phase. After regulation is notified in the official gazette, it becomes mandatory to display the star rating label on the appliance from the date of commencement of regulation in the public domain. Typical cycle for each appliance. Selection of appliance, energy saving, technical commitment, star level parameters, star level and upgrades, enforcement, check testing and penalty, implementation, enforcement and upgradation, technical analysis, testing standard, testing data collection, implementation, online portal, approval for models, market analysis and upgrading planning, conversion, mandatory levying from voluntary labeling. Where is this info available? We can get this info PEE star label by it can be easily available on the Google platform. Star labeling impact. Now we can see. Thank you for your kind attention.